Direct Express, you said you are Jeremy.
Correct.
Jeremy, I have an email here at 1:38 a.m. from Verify ID that appears has the appearance that Direct Express's next step in the waterboarding process requires me to call the number on the back of my card in order to get access to the property that you've deprived me of since the third. So I'm now doing that.
Okay. We want to happy to help you with that. I'll need to verify your social security number to access your account.
587-31-6485.
587. Was that 31 or 41?
31.
31. Okay. And then 6485.
587-31-6485.
Correct. Okay. And can you verify your name, please?
Zori Rush.
Thank you, Mr. Rush. Can you verify your date of birth, please?
10-4-77.
Thank you. The good active phone number.
662-753-1249.
Thank you. Do you mind holding briefly while I access your account?
It's coercion, sir. I don't have an option here. You can access it, but I don't. In order for me to access it, I must follow every instruction that you give to me. Is that correct?
Sir, I'm not sure where you're going with that, Mr. Rush.
I know where I'm going with that. I'm proving coercion. You are coercing me to hold right now. I have no other choice if I want to get access to my property. So you can ask the question, but if I want to get access to my property, you're going to force me to hold, and I'll do it.
Okay, Mr. Rush.
All right,
One moment, please.
go ahead. Waterboarding deniability. Okay, Mr. Rush. So we might as well watch you buy it.
Thank you for holding. All right, I do see that we did receive your driver's license for identity verification and it was approved. Can you verify the last four digits of your driver's license number?
Yes, sir, master. Or your honorable king or imperial wizard, whichever you prefer. What's the digits that you asked for?
The last four digits?
Of what?
Your driver's license number.
Mr. Imperial Wizard, the last four digits of my driver's license number is 7588. Does that meet your needs to give me access to my property, Mr. Wizard?
Uh, Thank you. Yes. All right. Now that we've verified your identity, I can remove the hold from the card.
I'd like it in writing, Mr. Wizard. I'm a citizen of the
What?
United States. Are you about to read to me something about my property that is in writing that you can read in a language called English? Mr. Wizard,
Well,
are you about to read to me something that is written in a language called English that can also be read by a judge or any other person with at least a 12th grade education from the United States of America's Department of Education? Do you have something like that that you are about to read to me about my own property?
no, I was just going to inform you that I did remove the hold from the card, so it's now active and available for use. You don't have to use the
I don't
hold.
have it. Okay, sir, this isn't your call, it's mine. The next step is in the coercion waterboarding process for me after you have given me back the access that was never allowed to be removed per my order. You can give me the information that was used on the account to issue the order to lock it. And I would like that in writing.
Well, we don't,
Mr.
Mr.
Wizard, Mr. Wizard, you have all the contact information that I have just provided to you. You have just
Correct.
verified my identity to give me access to
Correct.
my property. Are those records that have been created since that account was open, do they belong to me, Mr. Wizard?
I mean, if
May I
some of the records
inspect those records,
correct.
Mr.
That's what
Wizard?
I'm saying, Mr. Rush.
May I
You are
inspect
not to
those
speak,
records, Mr. Wizard?
Mr. Rush. I'll have to disconnect the call to
I
continue
don't. Hey, Mr.
speaking from
Wizard,
you.
you're live on YouTube and being recorded, so you behave
Sure.
with the federal property however you like.
Okay. Was there anything else I could assist you with?
Yes, you can answer my question. May I
Well,
inspect the records
yes,
that
sir.
were filed under my name?
Well, I'm not going to compete to talk, Mr.
I'm
Rush.
not asking you to
I'm,
compete. May I inspect the records that were filed under my name?
okay, sir. Some of these questions are
May I
very,
inspect the records that were filed under my name?
so there are no records that are filed,
So
sir.
you don't have a record that you just read from to open the account.
Sir, no.
All right. May I speak to your supervisor? May I speak to your supervisor about the fact that I don't have a record at your business, but you just did something to lock my property? I'd like to speak to your
Well, you're,
supervisor. If you don't mind, sir, I think we're done. I don't believe your
Mr. Rush,
statement.
you, you, you,
I
Mr.
don't
Rush,
believe your statement. I believe that I actually have a record there at Direct Express, and I'd like to speak to your
sir,
supervisor to find out why you lied and said I didn't.
okay. Well, this is the third time. I'm going to disconnect the call, Mr. Rush, if you
I
won't
know
mind.
because I'm going to talk to a supervisor about your lie.
Well,
And the world is going to
well,
watch you tell it.
sir. Well, Mr. Rush, we can
Yeah,
disconnect the call
yeah,
so we
Mr.
can focus
Wizard,
on the
Mr. Wizard, Mr.
business.
Wizard, Mr. Wizard. Get out my phone and I can call and get another supervisor and find out why you on the phone lying. And then the public right now can start calling their government and find out why they paying you for the lie. Because nobody cares why you're lying to me. They just want to know why you getting paid to get on the phone and lie and said this record wasn't created.
Calling Direct Express. Enter the last four digits of your card number. We did not receive your entry. Try again. Enter the last four digits of your card number. Enter your four-digit PIN. Your balance is $663.20. An SSA deposit in the...
To be clear, he just you just heard him say that he just released the property that was stolen and has refused to tell me why it was stolen. And then hung up the phone. And you bought it, motherfucker. You bought it. You know why? Because you want you want that bitch to kill me. Why you want that bitch? I don't know you, bitch. I don't know you. So I don't know why you want that bitch to kill me. But you just witnessed this bitch try to kill me.
For English, press 1. Para español, oprima dos. To activate your card or access your balance, transactions, and all other account information, enter your 16-digit card number. If you do not have your card or are waiting for a new card, press 2. Enter your four-digit PIN. Your balance is $663.20.
Now I heard the bitch was trigger happy. Now the bitch proving it.
$663.20 was posted on March 3rd, 2023. To hear additional deposit information, press 1. For the main menu, press star. To repeat your balance, press 1. To change your PIN, press 2. To report a lost, stolen, or damaged card, press 3. For deposit questions, press 4. For transaction questions or to dispute a transaction, press 5. To follow up on a previously disputed transaction, press 6. For all other customer service questions, press 7. To lock your card, press 8. Please enter a service request number followed by the pound sign. Your service request number can be found at the top of any dispute or fraud form and is indicated by the label SR number. We did not receive your entry. Try again. Please enter a service request number followed by the pound sign. Your service request number can be found at the top of any dispute or fraud form and is indicated by the label SR number. The service request number you entered was not recognized. To re-enter your service request number, press 1. To speak to a CSR, press 2. For the main menu, press star. Call is important, and we want to ensure that you're being transferred to the correct department. Please listen closely to all options before making your choice. To discuss or check status on a pending dispute, press 1. If you were recently notified of the outcome of a dispute and want to discuss it, press 2. To repeat this information, press pound. For the main menu, press star. Please hold while you are transferred.
Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance purposes. All agents are currently assisting others. Please remain in queue, and your call will be handled in the order in which it was received. representatives are still busy.